Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to use the average function in Microsoft Excel. The average function is what its name suggests. That is to average values, taking the sum of the values and then dividing them by the number of values used. Now let's proceed. Open Microsoft Excel and input your data. In my worksheet, I have here 10 students. From Juan de la Cruz to Luisa Torres. I also have 3 subjects, English, Math, and Science. I want to know the final grade of these students by finding their average grade. And we can do that by using the average function. To find Juan de la Cruz average, we type in the vacant cell under the average column, or in I2. So here, we can type here or here. So to start, we type equals average, then open parenthesis. Then we enclose the range of values we use to find the average grade. That is from Juan's English grade to Juan's Science grade. So we have to drag the cursor from F2 to H2, as you can see here, and then we type the closing parenthesis and then we hit enter. So the moment we hit enter, we see that Juan's average grade showed up, that is 85. But we also want to know the average grade of the other students. So we simply drag the plus sign arrow found here and then drag it down to the rest of the column up until to Luisa Torres' grade. Then we proceed. As we see in here, after dragging the plus sign arrow, we see that we actually now have the average grade for each student in the class. Simple, right? To recap the steps, we have here a short demonstration of what we did. Please watch. Well done! Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button and like button if this video helped you a lot. See you in the next video. Thank you!